Patagonia Cripto closed the year promoting the technological development of the third sector in Chubut. On December 12th, Diego Torres and Eduardo Drabble, representatives of the Crypto Patagonia Movement, held an informative talk in Trelew, focused on the use of blockchain technology to strengthen the third sector in Chubut. This event was held within the framework of the Ordinary Annual Assembly of the Federation of Mutual Associations of Chubut, where the challenges and opportunities facing the sector were discussed. During his presentation, Torres highlighted how the implementation of technological tools can bring transparency and efficiency to the administrative processes of mutual societies. Blockchain not only improves the traceability of resources, but also builds trust among the actors involved, Torres said. For his part, Drabble emphasized the need to train social organizations in the use of these new technologies. It is essential that the third sector adopts innovations that allow it to be more competitive and sustainable, he said. The event brought together leaders of the third sector who showed great interest in the proposals presented. The talk concluded with a commitment by FAMUCH to develop in 2025 a blockchain training schedule aimed at its partner organizations. With these initiatives, Patagonia Cripto seeks not only to promote the use of innovative technologies, but also to contribute to sustainable and solidarity-based development in the region. The collaboration between the Patagonia Cripto movement and local entities is key to driving positive change in the community.